Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video. I'm going to take you guys along with me as I clean our master bathroom. And as you can see, it's a total mess. We let it get out of control. We've just been having so much going on lately. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I hope you find this video as motivation to clean whatever room, whether it's your bathroom, bedroom, doesn't matter. So let's get started. And yes, you do see me vacuuming. Fun fact about me, I don't like to sweep. If I can vacuum everything, I will. I don't know what it is, I just don't like to sweep. So next, I'm using my handy wipes and the Clorox bathroom bleach foamer cleaner. I didn't get the clip, but I'm using the Clorox bleach toilet cleaner for this. So this might be overkill for some, but I'm using Fabuloso. This is the, I think, green apple scent, but I find after using the Clorox cleaner, it's so strong, and then using Fabuloso right after it, it helps to eliminate the smell. So yeah, that might be overkill for some, but it works for me. Okay, so next you guys are just going to see me clear off the countertops, get everything off and put up. I am going to do a video with organizing our drawers and the cabinet space because it is a mess. So I'm just trying to get all the stuff together to get that organized.
Is that you can share with the Side Hustle Pro audience.
Okay, Google.
Number 2, what has been the best business book that you've directly used in your business?
Profit First.
Alrighty. Number 3, what is a non-negotiable part of Monique's routine?
I have to pray and meditate every morning.
So here I'm vacuuming the counters. I don't know what it is, but I don't like wiping or cleaning when I have like loose hairs and stuff and it gets on the rag. I don't know. And I'm using this glass cleaner. Sorry it's not in focus, but it's the Spray Away glass cleaner and it is bomb. This is the fragrance that I'll be plugging into the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished product. For some reason, I couldn't get the clip of me cleaning the shower, but I did get that. So thank you all for watching. Bye.